Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Truly Yours. Today, we'll be making this simple under the sea balloon column. Let's get started. Here, I'm using a balloon string, but you can pretty much use any string you have available. Go ahead and tie it to the bottom of the base. These are 11-inch balloons in different shades of green. They are inflated in different sizes. This gives it an organic look to the column. Go ahead and wrap every quad you add with the balloon string. Go ahead and inflate 9 or more 260s of different shades of green. Squeeze every corner bend you make. This will lock in the shape. Go ahead and secure your fish to the base. Make sure you leave a little slack so the fish can float. I'm using a fishing line to attach the bubbles to. Here, I'm measuring the maximum height I want the bubbles to be. Tie your bubbles directly onto the fishing line. This way, you can adjust them in place just by sliding them up and down the fishing line. Here, I'm taping these group of bubbles to the fish.
dissect, on each one I reflect. These lines write my story. These places change me, each one replacing, like night into morning. I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you like we used to.
And we're done. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next Monday at 6 in the morning.
I know that home's where the heart is.